I just launched a free Skool course covering everything you need to know to launch, grow, monetize, and scale your first or next community on the Skool platform to 100 members per month or more in 2024. More importantly, in module 3 of this course, I show you exactly how to take those hundreds of members and convert them into 5 to 10 paying clients or customers per week. This is the exact same information that helped me grow my own community from 0 all the way up to 4,500 members in less than 90 days, and now over 23.2 thousand members in total in just a few short years. By leveraging the power of community, me and my girlfriend, Katie, were able to go from over $60,000 in debt, living and working from my grandparents' spare bedroom and their kitchen table, to making our first $10,000 a month online in less than 30 days, over $30,000 a month in less than 90 days, $100,000 a month in less than 12 months, and over $340,000 per month in less than 2 years. By leveraging the power of one free community, we've been able to start our first business online with no experience, provide for our family even though we started out with less than $100 in our bank account, and generate over $10 million in my early 20s in less than 3 years. I'm giving away everything that I've learned along the way to you completely for free. And I promise you, you will not be able to find this information anywhere else, because the real ways to launch, grow, monetize, and scale a community on Skool are usually being gatekept behind a $9.97 paywall or buried inside a $97 per month membership. But my mission is to take over 1,000 people to over 1,000 community members or more inside their first or next Skool community completely for free. And because I believe that everyone should have access to the right education to achieve the dream lifestyle and freedom that they and their family deserve, I've spent hundreds and hundreds of hours and hundreds of thousands of dollars and over 5 long, hard years of my own failures, mistakes, lessons, and trial and errors, and create a 100% free Skool course and community launch challenge with over 20 plus hours of content that shares exactly how to launch, grow, monetize, and scale your first or next community to over 100 plus members in 30 days or less. And my promise to you is that if you go through this free course, you will have all the information, the accountability, the tools, and the skill sets that you need to take your first or next Skool community from this to this. So in the next few minutes, I'm gonna share with you exactly what you'll learn, how to get access, and exactly what you can expect to see once you jump inside this free course, this free community. In the first module alone, the launch module, you'll learn everything that you need to know how you can build a highly successful and highly profitable community on Skool. We'll go over exactly how to set up, build, and launch a free Skool community that attracts your ideal members or ideal client that is both profitable and sustainable in the long term. We're gonna walk you through step by step, click by click, exactly how to set up your community the right way. In fact, we actually have multiple videos of us building real communities. And once you have your community ready to launch, what we'll then want to do is make sure that we fill that community with the right people fast. To do this, we'll put together what we call the community growth funnel to help you create one system to rule them all that consistently and reliably attracts new attention, new eyeballs, new clicks online, and converts that attention into high quality, ideal community members that pay, stay, and refer month over month over month. And finally, we'll break down the exact steps that you need to know to get your first 5 to 10 members into your community in 7 days or less. In the next lesson, module 2, the growth module. Module 2 is all about uniquely branding and positioning your community to stand out. And in order to do this, we'll first want to get clear on who your ideal client or customer actually is. What problems do they have, or what goals are they looking to accomplish? And once we get clarity on all those things and get crystal clear on who our ideal client actually is, we can then simply figure out where are they already hanging out. Because in order to grow our community, fill our community funnel, and get new group members and ideal community members into our community like clockwork, we have to have one thing, which is traffic. So in module 2, we're gonna cover the 2 major types of traffic, which is organic traffic. So the goal of organic is to get you getting your first paying clients and customers, ideally that can help you grow to your first $5,000 to $10,000 a month or more, so that way you can move into paid advertising, which is hands down the fastest way to start growing your community, monetizing your community, and scaling your community to your desired income or impact level. Because once you get these two systems in place, it truly is rinse and repeat. Now, one important thing to note inside module 2, the growth module, is that we want to make sure that we're not only just attracting our ideal members and clients and customers into our community, but also that we're able to stick and retain those members as soon as they join our community. So lastly, to round out this module, I'm going to show you how to create a community engine inside your community that immediately onboards, activates, sticks, and retains new members coming into your group and your community, and converts them into potential paying clients and customers within their first 7 days or less of joining your community, so that we can set ourselves up for success to have zero problem to convert and ascend our members inside our free community into paying clients or customers inside our paid communities or paid program. In module 3, it's now time to monetize your community. In module 3, we go over how to create the perfect offer for your ideal client, customer, and community member the right way, so you can effortlessly and ethically convert hundreds, even thousands of free members inside your community into paying clients and customers. And to make sure we're able to do this without coming across as markety, sleazy, or salesy, without risking or wasting our time creating an offer or product or service that sucks, we're gonna take you through our proven $10 million offer building process, where we share exactly how to build your offer in a way that can scale. In module 4, the scaling module, we'll cover exactly how to scale your community, systemize and automate all of your community operations, and fire yourself from the day-to-day operations of running your community. Now, unlike most business models, when you launch, grow, and monetize your community the right way, the way that we show you inside this free course, you do not need to have a large team or staff, a ton of software, or a ton of overhead to make this work. In fact, all you really need is one thing: a community manager. Now, one of the most overlooked parts of most Skool communities, and honestly most businesses, is one thing: the member experience. If you get your member experience wrong, you're gonna run yourself at risk of your community being a dead zone or a ghost town. Now, in order to help you get this right the first time, there's two things covered inside the scaling module, which is the who and the how. The who is the right community manager, and the how is the right community operating system. In this module, I actually have my personal community manager, Gina, who's been with us for over 5 years, come in and talk about exactly what she's done to run our growing, thriving, and engaging communities over the past 5 years. I also had Gina put together our community manager playbook, which you can use to copy and paste exactly what we do to manage our communities, to help you hire, train, onboard, and manage your first or next community manager as well. With all of that being said, our number one goal for you with this free course is to help you build the business of your dreams. A business that provides you with the time and financial freedom that you and your family deserve. Inside our free course and community, you're gonna get access to weekly community growth workshops, calls, and masterclasses. One of which that I'm really excited about is our YouTube masterclass, where I'm gonna be bringing in my own YouTube consultant who's helping me plan out my plan to 100,000 subscribers in less than 6 to 12 months. I'm gonna show you our exact tech setup and software stack that our own tech team that we call the Wizards is using to operate our entire $10 million company. You're gonna get our content masterclass, which is where we share the exact slides, software, workflows we use to create content just like this, either outside our community to draw people in, or inside our community to deliver on our member experience. You're gonna get to see how using these simple but highly effective and work smarter, not harder business models, strategies, fundamentals, and frameworks can help you not only achieve complete and total financial freedom in your life or business, but actual time freedom, which is our most valuable asset. Now, with all that being said, you may be asking yourself, but Jordan, how are you able to give all of this away for free? And more importantly, why? What's the catch? If this is working so well for you, why not just keep doing what you're doing and keep all your secrets to yourself? The honest truth is, I've already grown and am running a multi 6 or 7 figure business. So I don't necessarily need to make the most amount of money from my audience or my community right now. And instead, my goal is to just help as many people as possible by sharing what we're doing in our other companies and with this new company that we're launching and this new community that we're launching. And ultimately, my goal is to provide the most amount of value to the most amount of people possible. And I know the best way to do that is for free. So with all that being said, if you want to get access to the free Skool course and community in our Community Builders Bootcamp, all you have to do is click the link below in the description. As soon as you click that button, there'll be a couple quick questions so we can properly get you onboarded and activated and get you access to all the material that you see here. And within 24 hours or less, I'll have my community manager, Gina, approve your access and get you access to everything that we've talked about in this video. So with all that being said, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure you click the link below in the description to access the free course and community. Smash that like button down below if you got value from this video, and hit the subscribe button if you want more videos just like this that can help you along your journey. I can't wait to see you on the live calls and inside the community, hopefully this week, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the other side. I'll talk to you soon.